Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mariyum Yaseen and I have done my master's degree from University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, Pakistan. And today I'm going to discuss about the zoological gardens as a research gateway for the conservation of wildlife. So first of all, we have to take a look about the idea what are zoological gardens. Zoological gardens are those places that have collection of animals that are confined and are given proper habitat and food and are proper area and they are protected under so basically, we can say that zoological gardens are the places that are meant to conserve the animals that tend to extinct drastically. So it is as it is the century of extinction, and the climate conditions and the other things are very drastic for the animals and all the living beings. So it is need of the hour to have such places that can provide animals with the proper conditions and other things which may contribute for the betterment of biodiversity. And the extinction rate is really drastic in this decade and in the recent years. So here are some extinct species in recent decade that are western black rhino that has gone extinct in the recent past in the year of 2011, and it's been extinct due to the poaching and many other factors that contributed as like the habitat loss and human involvement are the basic reason. And the second animal is Spix macaw. It's been also just got extinct from the wild. And the third one is supplanted poison frog, and it's also been declared as extinct in the year of 2020. And the reason for its extinction was chytis fungus outbreak. And the fourth one is pinta giant tortoise, and it's been um, extinct from the environment. And the last one is Beiji, and it's a fish from China, and it has been declared very critical in the year of 2020, 2002. And then after that, in it was not been seen in the wild for a long time, and it was just thought to be extinct from wild. But in 2016, some scientists just made a statement that they have seen this fish in the wild, and it was though it was not captured on cameras, but the scientists are saying that it is present and it's under observation that either it is present or not. And the second thing is the efforts that are taken by the government and NGOs to make the extinction rate less. So the efforts of government and non-government agencies are really appreciable to just contribute in the period where things are going in a drastic manner. And here is some example where the Pakistani government has taken some steps for the conservation of wildlife, and it's about some national parks of Pakistan where different kind of animals and their species are held and captive in a proper condition, and they are just um, are allowed to grow in number. Like in the Osai National Park, brown bear has been captive and it's been breeding there for its increase in number. And the second major aspect of zoological gardens is Excito breeding methods. Excito and research perspective that has been taking place in zoological gardens. As we know that Excito breeding methods are really very helpful for those animals that are going to be extinct or are on a verge of extinction, as it contribute to increase their genetic diversity and just assist the breeding of animals in their captive breeding. And Excito methods are really a hope to flourish again motto, as they help the animals to just increase their numbers, even if their conditions are not proper in the wild. So, and man is making some effort to help those animals that are struggling for their survival in the wild, by just making some Excito breeding method techniques. And secondly, Excito methods are very helpful in the research perspective, either the genetic material that man or are more favorable for the survival of animals, and the genetic breedings can also be included in Excito breeding methods. And here is the second thing, that is the contribution of zoos and aquariums in the reintroduction of animals into their natural habitat. That is the efforts taken by different levels of mankind and the animal as well. So it's been a percentage of zoos and aquarias where the animals are being reintroduced into their natural habitats. And there are many success stories regarding the reintroduction of animals in their natural habitats. For example, the number of um, snow leopard that had been drastically decreased, but now it's been more in number because of the efforts taken by the government and the non-government organizations. And so the number of snow leopard has been recovered from critically endangered to endangered, and we hope so that it will make a proper number, that we won't make any effort to just to make any kind of alarming calls for people. So these are some success stories that we can relate with the reintroduction and rehabilitation of animals in their natural ecosystems. So we are uh, concluding that if we are going to enjoy the thing as ourselves, then why we won't make that for our next future generations? So it's our duty to make some efforts to make the things as possible and great for our future generations. So we have to make some extra efforts regarding these places there where animals are kept and are reintroduced into their natural environments, so that our future generations can see what we have seen in our lives, and they can also enjoy what we have enjoyed in our lives. Thank you.